here are some Franklin ball exercises. We're gonna first start with the Franklin ball underneath your foot. You're gonna smash the ball, rolling over the ball with your foot or the bottom side of your foot, rolling forward all the way from the toe to the heel. And it's important to smash the ball or really push into the ball instead of lightly just rolling up over it. Good. And then the second exercise is trying to pick up the ball. So bringing the ball of your foot towards the ball, you try to grab with your toes and lift. And it's okay if you don't lift the ball off of the mat. It's more important to kind of get that grabbing motion and then releasing as well. So that's number 2. Third one is going to be rolling over the ball and then pointing the toe, touching the big toe to the ground, and then rolling back, heel goes onto the ground. You're alternating forward and back. This one is a light, you're not pushing into the ball, but more so rolling over, good, forward and back. Now side to side, you're gonna try to touch your pinky toe and then your big toe onto the ground. Good. Rolling side to side, anchoring the heel on the mat as you do this. And then last one, you're gonna roll the ball back so the heel is on the ball, and then you're coming up into tippy toe from there. So you're coming up off the ball and then back. Good. Into releves or calf raises, trying to anchor the ball of your foot on the mat and then lift.